This is a STEARsoft Cloud Server tutorial. As an administrator, you can log into a teacher account. Select the teacher you're going to log into from the main administrator page, so Demo 3, and we're going to go to the Set Password link. So it's as if we're going to set a new password so that we can log in. So go there, but we're not actually going to set the password because we have this feature on here, Log in as this user. We're going to select this button and continue the teacher area, and now I'm logged in as Demo 3. So I can now, for instance, add a class. Let's give them 8R, year group 8. Let's tick it as a priority class, so it does AM, PM registration. Add the class, add some students, and I'm going to select students from the central student list that I already set up. So year group 8, house red, import. There are my students from house red, tick, import, done. I can go to a timetable for this teacher and set a timetable for them. Let's go to home. With STEARsoft, once you have a timetable and you have some term date information, you can then pre-populate by making a blank attendance sheet that's got all the dates ready according to your timetable and your term dates. Or you can just go straight to the attendance sheet. There are no sessions created yet, but you can just go ad hoc and add sessions as you go. So I can add this morning's session, and there it is ready. Once I've finished setting up a teacher's account or going in to help or whatever it might be, I can just finish being the teacher and return to the administrator area. Thank you for listening.